Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer money from OnePay to your Chime account. So this method works even though the OnePay application doesn't directly partner with Chime. So that means that there is no Chime in the transfer section. So the first step is just have to get your Chime bank details. So first, just open your Chime application, tap on the settings, then go to account information. Now here is where you'll see your routing number and account number. So you will need this to link your Chime to OnePay. So don't close it yet. And then open your OnePay application and then log into it. Go to the transfer or move money and then select link external bank account. And you just have to enter your Chime routing number and then the account number as well. So you just have to make sure that all details are correct and then submit it. Now, OnePay may send small test deposits, so it's called the micro deposits to your Chime account. So this usually takes about 1 to 2 business days. And then once you receive them, you go back to the OnePay and then confirm the amounts to finish linking. Now, after Chime is successfully linked, go back to the transfers in OnePay and then choose your Chime account as the destination. And then just enter the amount that you want to send and then confirm. Now, the transfer is processed through ACH, so it usually takes about 1 to 3 business days to show up in your Chime balance. So this is just normal, so don't worry if it's not instant. So just an optional tip, some OnePay accounts also allow transfers using a linked debit card. So if you can add your Chime debit card, the transfer may be faster, but this depends on the OnePay availability. So just make sure your name and personal details match on the both OnePay and Chime. And if the transfer fails, you just have to double check your bank details or relink the account. So that's how you transfer money from OnePay to Chime. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!